Hey guys, I'm Andrew, the head grower here at Pure Greens, and today we're going to talk about seed germination. So to start, you want to gather all of your supplies. Here at Pure Greens, we use Rockwool to start all of our seeds in. You want to place your Rockwool in a 10 by 20 inch tray. You can have the tray with holes in the bottom, but then you'll need another tray underneath it. So for this purpose, we just have a solid tray. You're going to need water. RO water is recommended at a pH of 5.5. You'll also need your seeds. For today, we'll be doing Genovese Basil, a Sharpie or any kind of permanent marker, sticky notes or some form of label, and then a humidity dome to cover your tray once you've placed your seeds in. Once you know your water's at a pH of 5.5, you want to soak your Rockwool. By doing this, it will stabilize the natural pH the Rockwool has to a perfect condition for your seeds to start. Once your Rockwool is completely submerged, you want to let it sit for at least an hour, but you could go up to 24 hours. After your Rockwool has been completely submerged for at least an hour, you want to pour the tray of water out, but you don't want to squish the Rockwool. Alright, after all the water has been removed, your Rockwool is now ready to use. Alright, so with gloves on, you want to take your seeds. I prefer to just dump them into the lid. You don't have to do it this way. You can dump them into something else or use tweezers if you want. I find it's faster to just use my hands. So you want to just start now putting one seed in each hole of the Rockwool cubes. After you get all your seeds placed in the holes, I like to take my marker and I just go through and lightly place all of the seeds into the Rockwool. You don't want to push too hard, or else you'll push the seed all the way through the Rockwool. It's not really what we're trying to do. It's just to help set the seed, kind of like if you were to be planting in soil, you put some dirt over the seed. It's a similar concept. After you set all your seeds, you want to take your humidity dome, ensure that the slides on top are covering the holes. That way there's no air exchange through the humidity dome. Place it over your seeds. Use your sticky note or label to write what is in the tray, how many seeds are in there, and the date that you started it. You want to do the date, that way you can just track your progress, take note. You may want to change your process a little bit by adding a small or low EC amount of nutrients to your water. There's a lot of things you can do, but that way by keeping the date you can keep track. Once you have your tray labeled, you want to stick this dome in a warm, dark place. Around 80 degrees is optimal if you can achieve that, and just let it sit. In about 3 to 4 days, you'll have seedlings popping up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot, and now you're able to start seeds yourself. Stay tuned for our videos next week, as we'll be having more grow videos coming to you.